All right, hopefully you still have some masks lying around if you're not still wearing them, because COVID cases are climbing in several counties in the Piedmont.
And tonight, at least one local leader is strongly suggesting people take the proper precautions. Fox 8's Jordan Brown joins us now to break down the numbers. Jordan.
Yeah, guys, right now there are at least 6 counties in our viewing area with high levels of COVID transmission, according to the CDC. Those are Alamance, Davie, Forsyth, Stokes, Surry, and Yadkin County. Guilford, Davidson, and Wilkes counties are at a medium level right now. Now, if you live in a community with high levels, the CDC recommends you wear a mask indoors and in public and stay up to date with your COVID-19 vaccines. Winston-Salem Mayor Alan Joynes says even though cases are spiking in Forsyth County, nothing is changing right now.
I think we've been averaging something over 140 cases a day. We had a target of 10 cases or less per day when I did away with the mask mandate last year.
A new mask mandate isn't coming to Winston-Salem anytime soon, but masks are once again being strongly recommended by Mayor Alan Joynes as the number of cases continues to climb.
Please take care of yourself, and when you go out or in meetings at home or in small places inside, I'm just encouraging people to wear their mask. I've started wearing mine again inside.
Mask mandates in most counties in the Triad ended during the first few months of this year, when cases and hospitalizations were down. But in April, Chief Medical Advisor to the President, Dr. Anthony Fauci, said, quote, "By no means is it over. We are still experiencing a global pandemic." Still, even as cases go up, most counties in the state are experiencing low levels. Out of the 100 counties in North Carolina, 13 of them have high levels, some of the highest in the country. Despite the rise in new cases of COVID, deaths are down. On May 27th, the 7-day average of deaths across the country was reported at 470. On that same day last year, the average was 637. Mayor Joynes says this current surge in Forsyth County was expected, and they'll continue to monitor the situation in Winston-Salem before making any sudden changes.
We're anticipating somewhat of a spike at this point, but we're hoping that as the summer gets in and people are outdoors more, that maybe it's going to spike and then go back down.
Now, while Mayor Joynes is strongly encouraging mask wearing, we do want to reiterate there are currently no mask mandates in the city of Winston-Salem or Forsyth County. He told me he has no set number for where cases would have to be for him to reinstate a mask mandate. Katie?